Mr. Silver 9759. I'm going to do the side yard this time to the backyard. I don't know what's in them. Never seen tree swallows. They're big, it might be a mockingbird just swinging around, and I've never seen that before. Wow. I think they're mockingbirds. Alright. Yeah, swinging around there and catching all kinds of flies and shit. I hope so. Never seen that happen. I've never seen all these birds. That was attacking me. Flying around. Something going on. I thought it was a quarter. This is good for one play. No cash value. Get some good saying on it. I'll make a coin ring out of it. Yep, couldn't get him. Yep, there's a 9/11 hunt. Buy heads for the lost survivors from 9/11. Alright. Well, went down there to church camp. I was in my backyard, but I had to go get some limbs from my aunt and load them up, and I'm going to go down and stop down and church camp till dark. Alright, happy hunting. Yep, but the nickel, I don't know what it is though. Could be a buff. Looks like a buff maybe. Get buffalo nickel. Second one this year. And it's nice on the other side. Get buffalo nickel. Yep, got a wheat. It's pretty deep. Oh man. Yep, another wheat. Gotta be pretty clean. I don't know what that is, but alright. Getting dark now. But if it wasn't for that light, I would have been in the dark. Yeah, I'm home now. 1935 buff, 1940, 1924. Yeah, and a token I found in the yard. Alright, happy hunting. See you next time. Me and Jason 24 is going out tomorrow, and your sister. Yeah, I hope we're going to do good.